The Safor region of Valencia, of which Gandia is the capital, recorded its heaviest rainfall this afternoon, exceeding 200 liters per square meter at the Gandia-Parpalló Borell observatory, accumulating in less than 5 hours, according to the Valencian Meteorological Association, AVAMET. The extratropical storm sweeping across the eastern part of the country has placed several provinces on red alert, extreme risk, due to heavy rainfall. This is especially true in Valencia, which is experiencing heavy and persistent rain again. The warning for this province is in effect until 11:59 p.m. Monday. The situation worsened in Valencia, with heavy rain continuing. Cars struggle to navigate floodwaters. The provinces of Castellón and Tarragona were also affected by the storm. Mexico City Meteorological Agency extended the red alert on Monday morning until 12 o'clock p.m. In the Sant Jordi and Onda regions, DIPCA's firefighters rescued 2 people trapped in their vehicles. The storm has currently placed most of the Valencian community on red alert, leaving an accumulated rainfall of 356.8 liters per square meter in 12 hours in the city of Gandia, Valencia, in the Safor region, according to the Valencian Meteorological Association, AVAMET. According to the AVAMET station network, during the same period, 283 liters per square meter were recorded in Pinet. In the Val d'Albaida region, 275.4 liters in Barks at the Drova Observatory, and 190.2 liters in Rainfall, also in the Safor region. The Valencian Parliament has suspended parliamentary activities for Tuesday due to adverse weather conditions, according to a source from the regional parliamentary presidency. The storm, which placed Valencia on red alert after the warnings in Castellón and Tarragona were lowered this afternoon, has caused road closures, train delays, and flight cancellations in the Valencian community after causing flooding and water overflows in Zaragoza on Sunday. In Aldaya, Valencia, the La Salida ravine has overflowed. Residents are working together to face the horror they experienced 11 months ago. The rainfall minus 57 liters per square meter in just 35 minutes has caused tension, although no one has had to be evacuated because the dikes and canals have fulfilled their function. Aldaya Mayor Guillermo Logan told IFE. After dumping up to 246 liters of rain on Amposta, Tarragona, the Catalan government is confident that the worst is over, although they warned residents that the warning is still in effect. In Aldaya, Valencia, heavy rains have caused the La Salida ravine to overflow the Benair Dam, flooding several streets in the city. Mexico City Meteorological Agency has issued an orange alert for Tuesday in Valencia, forcing the cancellation of classes in flood-prone areas and schools affected by the previous storm. The National Meteorological Agency, AEMET, has issued a heavy rainfall warning for the Murcia region today, starting at 12 o'clock noon. This is expected to continue until 10 o'clock p.m. Locally heavy rainfall, accumulating up to 15 millimeters per hour, is expected, accompanied by thunderstorms and possible hail. This poses a high risk of localized flooding, especially in vulnerable areas. Extreme caution is advised on public roads and avoid unnecessary travel, especially in flood-prone areas. Residents are also advised to follow the latest information and recommendations from official agencies. The rain may be accompanied by thunderstorms, increasing the risk of flooding in vulnerable areas. The public is advised to exercise extreme caution on public roads and avoid unnecessary travel, especially in flood-prone areas. It is also recommended to secure objects that could be swept away and check drains and drainage systems at homes and businesses.